I supposed to get out of here? There's no one outside to come and help me. I don't know what to do. I don't. Maybe. I have to think. What about that ice pond right there? I mean, the queen is probably going to be really upset with me, but it's the only way out. I'll try to make a hole through it. Maybe one of the ice trees will help me get through. This is going to be a while. That's the tiniest hole, and it took me 30 minutes just to make it. Well, here goes nothing. Oh my gosh. That was terrible. And I'm cold and wet. Like, is there anything worse than being cold and wet? Okay, I need to calm down. Oh, Ava's texting me again. I don't know why she didn't answer. I mean, maybe I hope something bad didn't happen. I'm really worried about her. Well, I guess I'll have to hope for the best. Oh no, everyone! Be prepared, we're crashing! Oh my gosh, what just happened? Is everyone okay? This isn't good. Wait a minute, where's Jess? 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 Oh no. Jess, are you in the water? Oh no. Jess? Jess, this isn't funny. Jess, please don't hide. This is serious. I don't know what to do. That blizzard is getting really bad. Maybe I should just look for some place to stay safe. Or maybe I should just give up. No, I can't do that. I have to survive if nobody else does. All right. Then I'll look for somewhere to go. Oh, that was a lot of swimming. I don't even know what this place is. Wait, what's that up there? I see something. Wow, that's beautiful. If only I knew what it was. Oh my gosh. Ugh. Why did we have to come here anyway? And now I am stuck. I liked it better where I was before. Why did we even have to rent a hotel there? I'm glad we didn't move here. I mean, this... Oh my god, this is so annoying. Wait a minute. Wait, is that what I think it is? No. Why are there so many places to move? Like, why? Nobody wants to move here. Oh, is that... Now I have to go help that little kid. All right, then I'll do it. Hey, kid. Oh my gosh, you scared me. Why did you... Wait, what? What do you need? I guess you look kind of lonely, and so am I. I got crashed. Wait, what did you crash in? Balloon, trying to get out of this dumb blizzard. Oh, wait, is Ava all right? I have no idea. I have a best friend that crashed too. All right? So I have no idea, and I'm all alone here. So do you know what you can do? What we can do? Like, I mean, I have ice powers, but I can't stop things. Powers, huh? Wait, powers! That's it! I think I know what to do. Hey, kid, no, I don't think that... Hey, where are you going? You don't know... Oh my God. Never mind.